Flick the gear up, bro. Brother, you think smoking, brother. It's just got about 60, so. And it's 60. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're back in the video. As you can see, the weather's looking beautiful, man. Younger wise, we're just trying to get a riding experience, so I thought this is going to be the perfect one. It's raining, it's horrible, miserable. We're just here, being chilling, boys. We're being rolling. Yes, come on. Brother, brother, you're the best, brother. Yes. So yeah, we're just gonna go for a little ride, take him through a little road trip. Are you feeling alright, yeah? No, that's how it is, bro. You get used to it, man. I was like, I can't see nothing. Brother, that's how it is, my French. These clapped out weather conditions, just how it happens, mate. I don't even know what bro's saying. Bro just revving the bike up. Get up! Come on! I wanna have a go in that Bengali now. I wanna have a go in that Bengali. But yeah, we're gonna get bro like a full proper gear, man, because bro's on holiday right now with his gear on. Oh man. Oh, my helmet's steaming up and everything. I'm gonna try and run it with him. We're gonna find like a little decent road. Bro's comfortable already. Oh mate. Brother, always side quest all the time. Come on. Bro's stressing out. Come on. Yeah, I'm sure it's got another gear. I don't even know. Flick the gear up. Flick the gear up, bro. I don't know. I still been clutching it. Oh my days, bro. Come on, boys. Smoking, boys. Brother is smoking. I need to tell him I'm gonna go right. Hold on. We're gonna go right. Yeah, so this is downwise, I don't know, riding condition. I don't even know what you want to call it, but we'll just, don't know, bro, we're just side questing it out. The weather's beautiful, so why not, boys, why not? Bro's joke. It just keeps forgetting indicators and that. Brother, you forgot your flashes on. Don't forget the flashes, brother. Is it? Have you got another gear? Huh? Did you go through the gears? Oh, the gears! Oh god. Brother, the best brother. Nah, surely not, bro. I went through all the gears. I'm sure bro had another gear. Bro's lying, man. He's saying he was struggling to like 40, 50. Brother, damn wise, he said double clutch and test it. Oh man, what a day. Yeah, I'm gonna take it on the country roads. Obviously I know the condition is not the best, but if it ain't raining, you're not training, boys. All I can hear is just shouting something in the back. There's probably like struggling car. Bro's like a wet dog right now. Come on. Indicators on again. Oh no, they switched him off, he switched him off. Good lad, my friend. So we're just gonna go down the country way. I don't even know, bro. We're just gonna go down there basically. It's my days. Nah, he's gonna love it in summertime though. Obviously right now the season of riding is clapped out, so as soon as summertime comes, he's gonna be enjoying myself, you know, get his riding experience in, get myself a bigger bike and that, and we can do some big trips. But I can't lie, I do want to say a thing though. Obviously, what do you lot think? I'm gonna try to take that to Skeg and back. Do you lot think it's gonna make it? It's a Benelli 125, innit? No, it's a Benelli. No, the bike's good though, don't get me wrong, the bike's good, but I just want to do a side quest on it, see if I can get there and back on one tank. Cause that thing's cheap compared to these big ones, but obviously, of course it is. So let me down in the comment section, what do you lot think that's gonna make it? I know we're obviously new to that Benelli, but I just call it Bengali, innit? So just got a new name for it. Bengali, yeah, I know you're gonna say the other word, but you get it, boys. Brother, watch. You have to look out for people like this, brother. Baby kicks don't go anywhere. Oh, don't get wrong, he's decent though. I can remember the first time he jumped on the bike anyway. Bro, just, have a go, bro. Just take time. Bro, disappeared. Bro just disappeared, left the map. Alright, fair enough. Leave it to it then. Yeah, bro's done his things and that on his bike. So I'm gonna ask if he's alright. That's all. I've got a full gear on. And bro just came out and man's not hot clothes. I'll try to pull up here. Some popos in there, bro. You right? How you feeling? How you feeling? Brother, you think smoking, brother, you need to slow down. What's the back like? You alright, yeah? Fucking slow, man. No, don't worry, man. We'll change the sprockets, because I reckon it's because of the sprockets. Oh, fun still, fun. I know, that's what I'm saying. I was just saying the weather's kind of dead, but obviously, once summertime's here, you'll be alright, my friends. Get yourself proper gear as well, you'll be alright. For your bro, man. Bro's just having a quick shower. Should have got your shampoo and everything while here. Huh? Should have got your shower, Joe. Pull up. Put a bum with some body one. Hold on, let me switch it. My Bengali's smoking as well, could you? Yeah. You gonna keep going, yeah? We're not far off, we just got to go down there. What I was going to say though, obviously this is national speed limit, which you're meant to go about 60, so... And
do 60.
Yeah, you can, bro.
It does 53 down.
Bro, let me try the Bengali, bro. Let me try this Bengali, bro. Hold on, let me go down there and I'll come back up.
Well, fucking Bengali don't even want to go neutral, bro.
Don't worry, man, we'll kickstart it.
Oh wait, no.
Bro, don't worry, brother.
Kick back settings.
Oh man, what happened to the mirrors, bro? Right. Oh, I'm not even gonna go through that. 1 minute. We're on a 650cc now. Oh my god. Hold on, boy. Hold on. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. We're actually smoking, brother. Hold on. I don't know what that was. Smoking, boy. Nah, I don't even know. Bro, how many gears? Are these meant to have 5 or 6? What? I don't even know, boy. Hold on. 2, 3, 4. Drift. Hold on, boys. Yeah, I reckon it's good as sprockets, isn't it? I'm sure this can go. Huh? It's alright, man. Yeah, but obviously it's got all the stunt stuff on it, hasn't it? So she's good. She's alright. Yeah. What, you say, should we keep going, yeah?
I want to go Mansfield first.
Where? Where do you want to go? Don't forget your kickstand. Don't forget your kickstand, my friend. Anyway, we're going to continue with the side quest, boys. Oh, brother, the African twin. Get up, much. Wow, what's going on with the gloves? Gloves feel a bit weird now. But yeah, side quest as per usually, boys. We're going to be doing much right now. The rain is starting to pick up. I mean, I don't mind, you know what I mean? I don't mind staying a little bit longer, but obviously brother here doesn't got a full gear here, my friend. See what he's saying. When we pull up next time, or we'll stop in a second. I'll confirm it with him if he wants to continue or he wants to go back home, or does he want a bit longer way? I don't know. But then again, I can't lie, just remembered about something. Yeah, good lad, he's remembered, good lad. All good? Oh, come here. No, not behind me, behind me. Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home? It's up to you. Ah, he's not bothered. You good? Ah, he's saying he's good. Alright then, boys, I can't lie. I don't think there's much we're going to do. Don't go anywhere. It's been raining like 14, 15 days in a row, so it's just been collapsed. It's been floods everywhere as well. Obviously,